Hi, I'm Caroline. Welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video to the norm. Usually I share videos all about self-publishing books, and I have shown up with a new video for you every single week for the past 3.5-4 years. I started this channel and called it My Freedom Empire back in 2020, and my intentions initially for this channel was to share videos about all different things related to online businesses, not just publishing. I wanted to help people find ways to make money online and create a sense of freedom in their life, whatever that meant to them. Freedom has a different meaning to all of us, and there is lots of different pathways to get there. For me, freedom is being able to do what I want, when I want. It's doing the things that I do because I choose to do them, not because it's the only choice I have based on my situation or my circumstances. And I was very hesitant to start a YouTube channel, to be honest. I had thought about doing it for a very long time, but I kept putting it off. It's a scary thing. You open yourself up to judgment and criticism and people's sometimes not so nice opinions about you and what you're doing. Opinions about everything from the way you look to the way you talk to how you edit or present your videos to the backgrounds of your videos. But there is also a lot of very nice opinions which get shared too, which is nice. But in the end, I did finally start this channel, and I'm so glad I did. And I'm so proud of myself for being so consistent and showing up every single week, week after week, regardless of what I was going through or whatever was going on in my life at the time. I made videos through periods of being sick, or my daughter being sick, or being away traveling or on holiday, going through some pretty low lows in my life as well as some highs, going through periods of just not wanting to make videos or not knowing what kind of content I wanted to make. I feel like I have a lot of knowledge and information to share. And so when I started My Freedom Empire, it was going to be about all different online businesses because I have had experience building so many different types of online businesses. I started my first online venture way back in 2006. It was a blog, and it was built to be an affiliate blog. So mainly to share posts that contained affiliate links, and that was going to be its source of income. It was in the beauty industry, and I made absolutely $0. I did get a couple of free beauty products, but that was about it. But since then, I've built many online stores, websites and blogs. I've had drop shipping businesses, affiliate websites and blogs, online stores selling physical products, Etsy stores, eBay stores, digital products. And those are just the ones that I remember off the top of my head. There are probably some others that I started in there that I've forgotten about, but I've just built up so much knowledge over the last 18 years or so, and I wanted to use this platform to share that information for anyone looking for a way to make money online and just take control of their life and their finances. But what ended up happening was that this channel became all about self-publishing. Self-publishing books on Amazon KDP was what I started focusing my time on back in 2020. And so I guess naturally that's where the content of this YouTube channel went as well. After a year or so of starting the channel, I started to become a bit uncomfortable about the fact that the channel wasn't becoming what I had initially intended it to be. And a couple times I did start to try to pivot the direction of the videos, and I would share content about other types of online businesses. If you are a long-time viewer of the channel, a little while ago, you might have noticed videos popping up around topics of affiliate marketing, Etsy stores, drop shipping businesses, etc. But I also wasn't feeling totally comfortable sharing those videos either. And it just felt like they didn't fit in with the channel and all the other videos that were about self-publishing. And I guess I came to a crossroads where I needed to figure out what I wanted this channel to be exactly. Did I want to try and make this channel one of those generic make money online types of channels, or did I want to spend all my time on this channel talking about books and self-publishing? Eventually, I realized and accepted that this channel is suited about being just self-publishing and books. I love talking about books. I never get bored of it. It's also what you guys seem to like best from me and what you expect from me. Those videos, whenever I do them about other types of online businesses or other topics, just don't seem to resonate with you as much as my videos about self-publishing. I also enjoy making videos about publishing more than any other type of video. It's an online business that I truly love. I have always loved books and reading and writing since I was a kid, so it just makes sense and just feels really natural when I focus only on self-publishing. But this brought up another issue. Over the last year or so, I'd say, I have felt a disconnection with my Freedom Empire. It just didn't feel right anymore. It didn't feel aligned with self-publishing or the content on this channel. I have thrown the idea of changing the channel name around in my head for a long time now, but I really do feel like now is the right time to say goodbye to my Freedom Empire, at least for now. I've decided to change the name of my channel to be something more definitive of what this channel is about. Something that more clearly explains what we're all about here and what types of videos belong here. I want this channel to be a hub for self-publishing information and pretty much your go-to place for everything that you need to know about this business of self-publishing and just everything in the publishing and book realms. Say hello to Self-Publishing Central. Aside from the channel name changing, everything else will pretty much stay the same. I will continue to share videos every single week. My background probably will stay the same for a little bit longer. I know that irks some people, but the most important thing to me is just getting videos out to you guys consistently week after week that really just provide value and are just really helpful for you to build a self-publishing business. There will also be lots of new and exciting resources coming for you too. I have mentioned in my past couple of videos that I shared that I do have a course which I'm going to be launching soon, which is going to guide you through creating a thriving self-publishing business with a focus on low and medium content books. Plus, I also have plans in the future to create more courses and resources on self-publishing other types of books too, like children's picture books and high content books. There is a link down in the description box below if you do want to get on the wait list for the course so that you are the first to be notified when it's available. But really, I just wanted to create this short video just to let you know what's going on so that you aren't surprised or you're wondering, who is this Self-Publishing Central channel? I don't remember subscribing to it. That is showing up on your YouTube feed or subscriptions page. It's me. I am so grateful for all of you for being here, whether you are a long-time viewer or a new viewer or subscriber. I'm grateful for you allowing me to share my information and my knowledge with you and trusting me to do that and for letting me do that for the last nearly 4 years. Whether you have given support by watching a video, liking a video, or commenting, I want to thank each and every one of you. I am looking forward to continuing to do this for many more years to come, and I hope you will come along on this ride with me. I'm not sure if we're going to be saying goodbye completely to my Freedom Empire yet. I do still have hopes that I might be able to come back to it in the future in the form that it was originally intended to be, which was a place to share information about entrepreneurship and just business in general, not a specific type of business. Who knows? One day it might come to fruition, but for now, my focus is still on self-publishing books and continuing to build this channel into a really valuable resource for anybody wanting to self-publish a book. That's it for this week, just a short video compared to my usual, and I really do hope you continue to support my channel. As I say, the name of my channel is changing, but the content will just continue to be the same as it always has been, with just lots more to come. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.